be very careful in entertaining discussion. She's so nice on the other way. Yeah, that's good.
一皿で。
残さない。